Hello, Fancy Jewels. My name is Lysandra. I am an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories. If you're listening to me right now, it's because you have questions about the business in regards to how to get started and what kits are offered, what the cost of the kits are, what is included in the kits, so that you can make the best decision for your business. And if that's you, great. Paparazzi Accessories specializes in the selling and distribution of jewelry. And more than that, it is in the business of changing lives. I love the saying, changing lives $5 at a time. We are a business that empowers women and men, empowers them to just have the opportunity to change the lives of normal people just like you and I. And it absolutely changed my life. I am a single divorced woman with children who's doing it alone. I work full time. I took on this opportunity for a part-time income, for extra income, for some bills to be paid, or debt to be paid, and all these things. What I didn't know, I was going to gain so much more than that. All right, I did that, paid off debt, started saving, and then bought my own home. Within 2 years, I was able to buy my first home by myself for me and my children because of the opportunity that Paparazzi gave me. So I wanted to start off with that and show you how amazing this company is. And I don't want to cry, but this company is absolutely life-changing. And if you're joining me right now, you want something from this business. So let's get started talking about the choices that you're first going to have to make when you sign up, okay? So we have 3 packages. One is the lowest, middle, and highest, okay? They all come with jewelry, but they all come with a different amount of jewelry. So let's get started with the first one. The first one is $99. It's a $99 starter kit, and it comes with 35 pieces, okay? It comes with 35 pieces, a 77% profit, a value of $175, okay? Includes all the business supplies that you need, a necklace bust, and a free website. A free website that you get to use the minute you start. That's right, the minute you start. You didn't have to design it, you didn't have to work it, you didn't have to input any jewelry, you didn't have to do anything but sign up, and you have a free website. Un sitio de web gratis. Eso es increíble, okay? That is incredible. Next video, I'm going to do a video in Spanish explaining the kits in Spanish. So if you do have people that you know would love the opportunity but speak only Spanish, I'm going to do one just for you, just for them. Okay, but keep listening. So that's the first package. I'm going to go over the first package again just so that you can take down your notes. The first package is $99, comes with 35 pieces. It's a 77% profit with $175 value, comes with a neck display, business supplies, and a free website. All right, I hope you're jotting that down. The next kit option is $299, and it comes with 120 pieces. Okay, so it's $299 and it comes with 120 pieces. Now, the value of that, if you multiply that, because of course you just do all the multiplications yourself, you understand, and you see that it's a value of $600 with a profit of $301. That package comes with a neck display and ring display, all the business supplies, and the free website. So I'm going to start again, just so that you can write the notes down. It is $299. The package is $299. It's 101% profit. It comes with 120 pieces of jewelry, a full profit of $301, the necklace and ring display, and a free website. All right? So it comes with those things. The next and largest kit, huge profit. I was mind blown when I really paid attention. I wish I would have gone with this one. But the largest package is $499. $499 with 200 pieces, 101% profit, and make sure I pay a $501 profit. So that goes in your pocket after you flip the kit. So $499, 200 pieces, okay, 101% profit. A $501 profit is what that 101% profit is. Okay, that's giving you that number. Some people are percent people, and then some people are dollar people. So I'm the dollar person. Like, I'm like, give me the dollar amount. So that's $501 of profit. Okay, so the first one is a profit of $76. The second one is a profit of $301. And the third one is a profit of $501. Now that's not dollar value, right? That's your profit, right? Because you've already put in the $499. You've got 200 pieces, sold at $5, right? $1,000 minus the $499 investment, and your profit is $501, right? If we're going with all the dollar amounts, because I'm a dollar person. So it comes with a necklace, ring, and bracelet display, a convention ticket, a business supplies, a free website, and much more. So the packages and what you get in the packages increase as you go up. So you're going to get more of the business supplies that you need to get started. You're going to get more of the displays that you need to get started. You're going to, but the free website's the same. Okay, the free website, and in that package, you get a free convention ticket. Now, the convention is an amazing thing to get for free because you have to pay for that. When you go to this big, massive, I love it. Oh my gosh, my first convention blew my mind. I was like boohoo crying in just joy, excitement, possibilities. It was just, there's no words. Speechless. That convention just changes your whole business. You come back like, oh, let's go. I'm ready to go. You get a convention ticket that all of us have to pay for, but from choosing the $499 kit, you get it for free. Okay, you get it for free, an opportunity to join thousands, hundreds of thousands of other consultants and celebrate each other and our successes. It's amazing. So you definitely want to, if you have it, take that leap of faith and just grab the larger package. But every single package is going to make you an active consultant with the business and going to give you the same opportunity that it's given me. You will be an independent consultant with a free website with all three packages. Okay? You will be an independent consultant with your own website, no matter what package you choose. The $99, the $299, or the $499 package will give you the same opportunity that all of us have had to make 6 figures and 7 figures. Yes, that's right. There are people that have gone full-time that are making more than what they've ever made in their entire lives. And you get that same opportunity no matter what package you choose. So I hope that cleared up some of the answers and questions that you had, some of the questions, and answered them as well as possible in regards to what comes in each 3 packages and what the costs are. Now, go ahead. If you're ready to make the decision and this is all you needed, then go back to the person that invited you and get started. Get started on the road to changing your lives and making your dreams come true. Adios, bye-bye, and make sure to subscribe and like and follow me at So Fancy Jewels as well on my business page, or make sure that you subscribe here on YouTube. It was nice chatting with you.